Hello, how is everyone? Here is a 5-speed gearbox for a truck. The problem with this gearbox, it's the first thing is the clutch. The clutch is worn out, slipping. This one is a thrust bearing. It's a pilot bearing which goes here. It's also broken. The clutch is worn out, but from the close look it shows that this clutch was worn out due to oil leak. It shows that there was oil which was going to the clutch, basically from the rear main seal. And when it comes to the pressure plate, you can see there's plenty of high spots here. Oh, these are high spots. Here on the flywheel, there's also high spots, but not very much. But it's showing that somehow it was overheating because of these scratches. It has got cracks right round, but slightly right. Now here we come to the gearbox. As you can see from inside, it shows that there was somewhere it was leaking. But the biggest problem here is the play here on the spigot. I haven't stripped this gearbox yet, but as far as I can see that the play which is here, it's not for the bearing only. Even the housing is worn out. If you check carefully, the cone is also playing. The housing is worn out. If you can check from inside there, you can see how the cone is playing. There's too much play for the cone, which means the cone is also worn out. And then you come here on the side for the speedo. The speedo is cracked. The speedo housing is cracked also. It's cracked as well. So those are the major things which needs to be fixed here. There's one more thing which is worn out here, but I'm not seeing where is it. Where is the front cover for this gearbox? The front cover for this gearbox? Not seeing it. But anyway, that's what we do here at Gearbox. We do gearboxes, automatic, manual, for trucks, bakkies, and automatic diffs. Here's another 2 gearboxes. They are ready for collection. That one is for Isuzu. This one is for Pandam. Thanks.